Are you tired of only being seen as the nice grandfather? Do you think you need to look young again to get noticed? Or do you believe that only money can buy affection? Please pause for a moment and listen to me. Let me assure you of one thing. Attraction does not lie in age or in money. It lies in the behavioral signals that you send out. Women can never read your mind. They can only read the signals that you transmit to them. If you send the wrong signals, you will fail. If you send the right ones, you become irresistible. Give me 15 minutes to change the way you think. I will show you how to make young women crave you. And remember, this has absolutely nothing to do with money. Before we begin, please hit like for this video. Do not forget to subscribe for more psychological secrets. Please turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any video. Now, let us step into the world of psychology, a world full of fascinating surprises. Point number 1. The speed of control. Do you know why a lion always moves slowly? Because he is the master of the jungle. He does not need to rush for anyone. Everything in the jungle belongs to him. And what about the antelope? It always runs fast, always afraid, always alert. In psychology, speed reveals confidence. When you move quickly, you broadcast fear. When you speak quickly, you are begging for approval. When you laugh too quickly, you are trying to please others. They all send out one single message. I am anxious. I am trying hard to be loved. Young women are extremely sensitive to this. Their instinct detects anxiety very quickly. They want a man who can shelter them. They want a man who stays calm through every storm. A man who is solid, like a rock. So what should you do? Learn how to slow your movements down by half. I repeat, exactly by 1/2. When she asks you about something, pause for a beat before you answer. Do not rush to jump into the response. When you pick up your wine glass at the table, reach for it slowly and gracefully, as if time itself is waiting for you, as if this entire world belongs to you. That slowness creates a powerful magnetic pull. Let me tell you a small story. My student is named David, 67 years old. He lives in Los Angeles, a successful businessman. In the past, he always spoke very fast on dates. He was afraid of not impressing the woman fast enough. I asked him to practice an exercise. With every sentence, slow down by exactly 50%. With every gesture, move as if on vacation. After only 3 dates, the result was remarkable. The woman asked him out for a 4th date. Do you know what she told him? She said, I feel a sense of peace in you, a peace I have never felt in anyone before. That is the power of slow tempo. She will ask herself, why is he so calm? And that is the moment you have already won. Stillness creates magnetism, while rushing kills everything. Now we move on to point number 2. This point is far more important. Point number 2. The magnetism of pushing back. What is the biggest mistake older men make? It is being too accommodating to her, always agreeing with everything she says. Do you think this makes her see you as kind? Do you think she will appreciate that constant yielding? Let me be straightforward with you. The reality is the complete opposite. You are becoming too predictable in her eyes, and predictability is the enemy of attraction. It kills every spark of emotion between two people. Women do not want a yes man. They do not want a puppet that nods along. They want a man with a strong backbone. I call this the prestigious man, a man with credibility and substance. But please listen to this very carefully. You do not need to argue or raise your voice. Having backbone does not mean being rude. If she dislikes a movie that you love, do not rush to change your opinion. Do not pretend to agree just to keep her happy. Smile calmly and say, I completely disagree with you. Then, look directly into her eyes, calmly, without any fear at all. Do not explain, do not apologize, do not back down. What happens in that moment? When you have your own opinion, you create respect. A gentle pushback creates a little friction, and it is that friction that creates emotional fire. Without friction, there is no fire, gentlemen. Do not be afraid she will be upset over a small opinion. A mature woman will respect that. She will see you as different from 90% of men out there, because most men are bowing down to her. She is sick and tired of that. Do you agree with me on this? Please comment the word backbone if you agree. I want to know how many of you are listening. Now we move on to point number 3. Point number 3. Absence creates desire. Listen carefully to this metaphor of mine. We never appreciate the oxygen around us because it is always available everywhere. It is completely free and unlimited. We breathe without ever thinking about it. But what if you held your breath one day? Within just a few seconds, you would crave it madly. You would do anything to get it back. In relationships, this same law applies exactly. Presence creates comfort, while absence creates desire. Do not be the man who is available 24/7. Do not text her every hour of the day. If you are doing this, please stop right away. Be silent on a random evening, an evening when she is expecting to hear from you. Do not let her know what you are doing. Do not narrate every detail of your daily life. Keep a part of yourself mysterious. Scarcity always raises the value of any product. That is an unbreakable law of the market. And love is also a market, gentlemen. When you disappear a little, what happens? She begins to daydream about you. She starts creating stories in her own head. Where could he be right now? Who is he with at this moment? And in those stories, you are always more interesting than the real version of you. I want you to engrave this in your mind. The always available man is the forgettable man. The man who knows when to disappear becomes the legend. Let her feel your absence. That is the moment she realizes one thing, just how important you really are to her. Now we move on to point number 4. This point is about your eyes. Point number 4. The dominant gaze that does not invade. Your eyes are the tool you neglect the most. Older men often make 2 common mistakes. The first mistake is looking away. When meeting a beautiful woman, you avoid her eyes. The second mistake is looking down shyly, as if you are not worthy of her. Both actions transmit the same signal. It is the signal of submission. She will instantly file you under the weak men category. And once you have been placed in there, it is very hard to climb back out. Let us change this starting today. I will teach you the 2-second rule, a simple rule that is incredibly effective. When she is talking to you, look deep into her eyes. Do not glance at the phone next to you. Do not look around the room searching for something. Be completely there with her. And when a moment of silence appears, do not rush to look away. Most men do this because they feel awkward, but you are different. You are a man with backbone. Hold that gaze for exactly 2 more seconds. Let it become slightly intense. Then, smile very softly and slowly turn away with grace. This action carries enormous power. It activates a deep instinct inside a woman, an instinct that has existed since prehistoric times. It shows you are confident, but not arrogant. You dominate the space without being aggressive. You are fully present without being invasive. Young women in America truly cherish this because they are rarely seen for who they really are. They are usually looked at like an object. When you look at them the right way, they feel it. They feel respected and understood. And that is a feeling they will remember forever. Now we move on to point number 5. This is the final point before the climax. Point number 5. Generosity as a powerful signal. Science has proven a very interesting truth. Men become more generous when beautiful women are nearby. This is an evolutionary instinct, millions of years old. We call it costly signaling, which means a signal that comes with a cost. Generosity is a wonderful signal of quality. It shows that you have abundant resources. It shows that you do not lack anything. But more important than the money itself, it shows that you are a man who cares. But please do not misunderstand me. Do not use money to buy her. Do not give expensive gifts right at the beginning. That is the fastest way to lose your value. She will see you as a walking ATM. So what does the right kind of generosity look like? Be generous with the people around you. Be generous right in front of her. Tip a little extra to the waiter. Do it politely, without showing off. Hold the door open for an elderly lady struggling. Help a stranger on the street when they need it. Give a homeless person something to eat. These actions are psychological jewelry, a kind of jewelry that no money can buy. Let me tell you about a man named Michael, one of my students, 72 years old, in New York. During a date with a woman who was 35, a homeless person came near their table. Most people would brush them off or ignore them, but Michael did something completely different. He stood up and bought a hot meal. He handed it to the person with a smile. He did not say a word to the woman about it. He simply returned to the table and continued the conversation. After that date, she texted him. She wrote, "I have never met anyone like you. You changed the way I see the world." That is the power of true generosity. She saw him as a capable protector. Women are drawn to kindness paired with power. That is the generosity of a true king. Now we arrive at the most important part of the video. The climax that I promised you. Please sit tight and listen carefully. The climax. The shocking truth about young women. What do you think those women in their 20s and 30s want from you? Most men think it is money. Some others think it is good looks. But the truth will absolutely amaze you. A truth that very few men dare to say out loud. The current generation of young men is in crisis. They often lack patience in relationships. They lack courage when facing hardship. They lack emotional stability. They only know how to drown in their phones and video games. Young women in America are lonelier than ever before. The rate of single women is hitting record highs. They are tired of shallow dating games. They are bored with soulless dating apps. They are sick of those "hi sup" texts at midnight. So what do they truly long for? They long for prestige. They need a man who can lead them. A man who can say no to them when needed. A man with his own solid world. A man who does not live for them. Your money is only a very small piece of the puzzle. I repeat, a very small piece. What they truly crave is a feeling of safety. The feeling of being beside a real man. A man who knows when to be silent. A man who knows how to listen deeply. A man with a backbone that cannot be bent. When you apply the 5 skills I just taught, you are not simply attracting them. You are becoming the treasure they have been searching for. A treasure they have waited many years to find. They will not stay because of your wallet. They stay because of how you make them feel. That feeling is unique and irreplaceable. This is the twist that I want you to understand. Your age is not a weakness. It is your most powerful weapon, because it gives you what young men do not have, a calmness forged through time itself. So what did we learn today? Let me summarize it for you. First, move and speak more slowly to prove that you are the master. Second, hold strong opinions of your own to earn respect and to be truly seen. Third, know how to be absent at the right time to create intense longing. Fourth, use your eyes to claim your standing, the magical 2-second rule that I taught you. Fifth, be generous in the right way to show the backbone of a true king. What is the core lesson of today's video? Attraction is the chemical reaction of behavior. It does not depend on what you think about yourself. It depends on what you actually do to make her feel something deeply. Here is your action step starting right now. Tomorrow, when you meet a young woman, try applying just 2 of these things. Hold your gaze 2 seconds longer after she finishes speaking, and speak at half of your usual pace. Just those 2 things, nothing more. You will witness a miracle right away. She will start leaning toward you. Her eyes will light up with curiosity. She will want to know more about you. That is the moment you have won the game. How do you feel about these secrets? Please leave a comment below about your experience. Which skill do you find the hardest to practice? I will personally reply to each one of your comments. Please like the video if you found this useful. Do not forget to share this with your friends of the same age. Friends who are also feeling invisible. They deserve to know these secrets too. Let us reclaim the confidence of strong men together. 65 is not the end. It is the beginning of your most brilliant chapter yet. Thank you for listening to me until the very last minute. I truly appreciate your time. See you again in the next videos. Wishing you charisma and strength always. Goodbye, gentlemen, and see you soon.